Trains types name collection. Bullet train. Bullet train. Sharp-nosed and super fast. Designed to look like a bullet and travel just as quick, it's a superstar in the train world. Steam locomotive. Steam locomotive. A classic train powered by steam, using coal, wood, or oil to boil water. The steam pressure drives pistons to move the train. It revolutionized transportation in the 19th century. Oil tanker train. Oil tanker train. Careful and powerful. This train carries fuel like oil and gas in big round tanks. Always check for safety before the journey. Zoo train. Zoo train, a small train used in zoos, parks, or tourist areas. It helps visitors, especially children, explore the area in a fun and convenient way. Maglev. Maglev. No wheels, no contact, just magnetic magic. This train floats above the track using magnets, zooming along like a spaceship. Hybrid train. Hybrid train, a double-powered train. It can run on electricity or switch to another fuel when needed. Super flexible and energy-saving. Snowplow train. Snowplow train, the winter warrior of the track. With a giant plow in front, this train clears away snow like magic. Without it, other trains would be stuck in the snow. Airport shuttle train. Airport shuttle train, a train that transports passengers between airport terminals or between the airport and the city center. These trains are usually modern, fast, and operate frequently. Funicular. Funicular. The hill climber train, two cars pull each other up and down steep slopes like a giant seesaw. Great for mountains and hills. Monorail. Monorail. The one-legged train. It runs on a single rail, usually above ground, gliding smoothly through cities. Sleek, modern, and perfect for busy urban life. Diesel train. Diesel train. The independent one. It runs on diesel fuel, doesn't need electric wires, and can go almost anywhere. Strong and self-powered. Locomotive. Subway train. The underground hero. It zooms through tunnels below the city, avoiding traffic and weather. The best friend of city commuters. Container train. Container train. The giant delivery train. It carries tons of containers filled with everything from toys to food. Without it, stores would be empty. Fire train. Fire train. The firefighter on rails. It carries water and hoses to fight wildfires near tracks. Brave and always ready for emergencies. Electric locomotive. Electric locomotive. Clean and quiet, this train runs on electricity, making it eco-friendly and super smooth. Perfect for modern travel. Military train. Military train, the battle train. It carries tanks, troops, and gear, like a moving army base on rails. Tough and ready for action. High-speed train. High-speed train. Whoosh, and it's gone. This speed champ races over 300 kilometers here, getting you far in no time, all while riding smoothly like a breeze. Freight train. Freight train. The strong man of the tracks. It hauls heavy stuff like coal, wood, and steel, working hard day and night to keep everything moving. Suspended railway. Suspended railway. An upside-down train hanging in the sky. It doesn't run on rails, it hangs under them. A thrilling ride with awesome views. SEPTA. SEPTA. The friendly train system in Philadelphia. SEPTA trains help people go to school, work, and home, like a loyal travel buddy. Double-decker train. double-decker train, like a moving two-story house. With 2 levels of seating, it carries more people comfortably. Riding one feels like a train party with a view. Railbus. Railbus. Half bus, half train. It runs on tracks but looks like a school bus. Small, light, and perfect for countryside travel. Streetcar. Streetcar, the friendly city train. It's small, cute, and shares the road with cars. Perfect for short trips through downtown streets.